Well, right now that I've got my melting candies into my beakers in hot water, we're just gonna let these get melted up. Now that these have been sitting in my water, I'm just gonna come in. I'm using a chopstick to stir them. And I had only white melting chocolates and I wanted to make these really beautiful spring colors. So I added a little bit of pastel food coloring to some of these. And you can see it's pretty melted in the top there because heat rises, but we're still getting a few chocolates down below into the melting. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this with all of my different colors here. I'm just, like I said, using chopsticks. You can use a spoon or whatever is convenient for you. Okay, it looks like these colored ones that came colored have a little bit of a higher melting temperature than the plain white. Alrighty, I am just gonna grab these out and we're gonna take these over to the counter. Alrighty, y'all, I've got my wicks and I've cut these shorter ones down and we're just gonna add these right on in here. Alrighty, I'm coming in with my blue melted chocolate. I'm gonna pour that right around my wick here. Oh, such a pretty pastel color. Of course, you can buy the melted chocolates already colored, or you can color them yourself like we did. Perfect. I'm gonna use some of this beautiful yellow color now. And y'all, I got these really fun molds online. I'm sure you can get them at Michael's too, or Hobby Lobby. And this is gonna be so cute. I can't wait for you to see the final result of this and how it's gonna be such a fun addition to your Easter table. I think y'all are really gonna like this. Alrighty, y'all. I'm just gonna set these in the fridge for a couple hours and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all. My chocolates have been chilling in the fridge and I'm gonna start adding some fresh fruit. I've got some green grapes here. And I'm coming in with some beautiful strawberries. This is gonna be such a fun display for your Easter celebration. I'm gonna do a handful of little blueberries over here now that we've got some parameters to kind of keep them in place. Gorgeous. I'm adding in just a little bit of roasted pistachios without the shells, a little crunch, and just a handful of these beautiful raspberries. Now time for the fun part. I'm just gonna cut open my cups here, peel these away. Might be easier to use a paper cup, but I wanted this size. My yellow here is so pretty. And now these molds are so much fun. You can use them for soap or candles. Can't wait to show you guys how these turn out. Wow, this one's beautiful. Look at the detail on that. So beautiful.
Now's the time. We're just gonna light up our beautiful chocolate candles.
Our melting chocolate candles. Happy Easter, y'all. You gotta try it.